My name is Jared Leff, and I am the Port Richmond Scholar for Economic Development. The project that I've been working on is the Port Richmond Love Your Block Cleanup Day. Basically, we are working with small business owners to figure out what their needs for the cleanup, such as painting, window cleaning, window displays, or just a typical garbage street cleanup. Volunteers from Wagner and community partners have paired up with Wagner College in cleaning Port Richmond Avenue, and I'm splitting them up into teams.
This is Kelly Griffith, and we're going around hanging up these birdhouses that we painted all day. We also had some kids help us, some kids from the neighborhood, so it was a lot of fun. We painted also little decorations that can go on the potted plants that we worked really hard all day to pot and water, and the businesses seem to really appreciate and be happy with everything that we've done today.
I'm Kathleen Bielsa from Northfield Community LDC, and we're here helping with the Cleanup Day in Port Richmond. We're part of a group including Northfield LDC, of course, the Board of Trade, Port Richmond Improvement Association, Wagner College. Lucky for us, we have a great day, beautiful weather, and hopefully we'll be making a lot of progress.
My name is Molly Delbridge, and I am here for the Port Richmond cleanup. And we asked basically if they would want, painting in the front, which another group is doing, painting like the sides of, the different areas. And then also cleaning the windows is a big one that people want us to do, and also cleaning up trash in the front. We're essentially doing everything that they're asking of us, asking if they need anything else, and creating awareness about, cleaning up Port Richmond Avenue and making it look beautiful. It's important to have a street that looks physically aesthetic and is representative of the beautiful people that we know here and the great businesses and things that they have to offer to everyone.
It's a great day where everyone gets together and can clean and really embrace Port Richmond and its culture.
So after a long, hard day of work, we're getting some Ralph's Ice.